we go, 300 Blackout. Now, another expansion catch into the shield of a hog. Just to see what's going on the other side. Now remember, when you shoot that pig, you're going to have a bone there probably too, on top of that. Again, this is the Winchester Deer Season XP 300 Blackout. Shooting at about 50 yards, 40 yards, shooting into a mid-size to smaller mid-size hog shoulder, 150 pound, 175 pound hog. Just going through and seeing what the expansion is on it. Now, you still got, you're gonna have that shoulder blade right behind it possibly, and then, the ribs, you might hit one of the ribs as well on it. That's why these shots get tricky in the shoulders. What we got going on here? Again, pulling out one of my smoky oak gloves. Smoky oak gloves, fine makers of fine products. Smoky oak gloves are just about good enough for any job. Got the pop down a little low right there. Making a little thing. That was 223. There's a blackout. Alright. First jug. Cleaned her up. Second jug. Flying through. Oh, nice. Third jug. Went in, did not come out. Little metal fragments in there. Little pieces of lead. Definitely liking this one a lot. Solid hitter. Look, it's a puzzle. Yay, I put it back together. Yay, now I can shoot it again. Let's reload it and fire off. There we go. I'm liking that. So the 6.5 Grendel went through 2 jugs. The 223 went through 2 jugs. This actually made it into the 3rd jug. This is a 300 Blackout, which a lot of people really underestimate as a hunting round. Oh, that was designed for home defense, not hunting. Yeah, that's why they put Deer Season on the box. And this was definitely on a shoulder shot on your mid-size to smaller mid-size. Because what I consider a mid-size hog is about a 200 pounder. Smaller mid-size is about 150. And once you start getting over 250, 300 pounds, you're getting into your larger, definitely larger hogs. So under 200 pounds. So I would say, safe to take a shoulder shot at a 150 pound to a 175 pound hog or smaller with these. You're definitely going to kill it, but you might have a tracking job ahead of you. Again, thanks for watching.